Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add opening hours on weeks. So simply go to add elements, and then here you're going to have to simply go to community here. So as you can see, you have the community tab, and if you want, so as you can see, you have store, then you have bookings. So here basically people can see and they can book you if you want. So if you're providing services that needs booking, you can do that. And what you're gonna have to do next, so in order to add the available hours, you're gonna have to simply search for hours, and then here, as you can see, you have these theme stripes, and basically you can use this to add them, and here you can simply enter your opening hours, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.